What's up, guys? We're in Anza, Borrego Springs out at the desert checking out Super Bloom. It's pretty impressive, talking about living soil and all the different ways that plants can survive in this type of environment. Check it out. We've got cacti, succulent, wildflower, all kinds of butterflies. Just growing in the sand. Of course, we had a heavy rain this year, so that helps. But it's pretty cool to see how all this can survive. May not be a lot of animals running around, but there sure are a lot of plants. They're all deriving water from the ground somehow. Underground mycelia, hyphae strands will share nutrients with each plant and water. And it's pretty cool to see what grows, like this out here actually. Check out how beautiful that is. Pink, purple, cacti flowers blooming. It's impressive. There's definitely lots of beauty out here in the desert. So at this time of year, all the flowers are blooming, but there's an insect that comes to eat it. If you look close, you can see these little worms, not worms, caterpillar, that's munching away on all these flowers. There's thousands, if not millions of these guys. And we came out here before, the last time there was a big super bloom, and there were so many of them, it was loud enough that you could hear all the chomping. If you look, you can see more. And they go through and they devour all this vegetation. So at the end of the season, these flowers aren't really left. So you gotta come at the right time to see it all, or it's all gone. This guy just eating away. This little guy. He's eating this flower. Look, he's got it in his mouth. Ugh. You're eating all the pretty flowers, bro. Here, I'll let you go back in the eat the rest of this. Wildlife. Go, little off-roading. Watch out, little girl, coming through. Oh, shit. River crossing. Coming in. Mobbing. So we just got done in Anza, Borrego, checking out the wildflowers, and now we're down in the Salton Sea at Ocotillo Wells. Check out this valley. So as far as your eye can see to that mountainside, all the way out, water comes down, cutting into these valleys, right? And then behind me is the Salton Sea, which you may or may not be able to see. We're about to head down there next so you can check it out. But it's crazy what water can do, right? And erode over time. These canyons have been built and lots of valleys through this section have been cut out by water. It's pretty impressive. Mother Nature is very interesting. Stay tuned, we're gonna check out more.